Hey everybody, welcome back to Shades Out of School Time with Miss Jamila. So today we are going to make flashlight art. So I'm going to show you the materials you need and it's going to be super fun. You are going to need some Sharpies in different colors, a plastic bag, a flashlight, some tape, some scissors. If you don't have any safety scissors, I'm going to need you guys to get some help from a grown-up to help you cut this. And a plastic cup. So I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so first you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut along the edge of your plastic cup, and you're going to cut out the bottom piece. You're going to cut out the bottom piece of your cup, and I taped it back together and just made it a little easier. So once you cut your bottom off, go ahead and tape the sides. And then we are going to put our plastic cup in our plastic bag. Okay, so now that our plastic cup is in our bag, what I did was I folded at least one of the ends of the plastic bag, and I will tape it into the cup so that the flat part doesn't move too much, so we can draw on it. So now the inside is taped, or at least one side. And so now we can draw on our cup. So let's see, I'm going to take black. And I'm going to let's draw a heart. And I'm going to color it pink. Okay, so I colored our cup. I put a heart and I colored it in, and I put a little butterfly. And so when you're done with that, you're going to take your flashlight. You're going to take the flashlight and put it inside of the cup. And voila, your art is going to be put on the wall. Isn't that super cool? So you can do that with literally any picture you want to draw. It's going to be super fun. So as always, follow us on our Instagram, our Facebook page, and our YouTube page. I will see y'all next week. Bye!